Hi, Ileana. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
All right. So, I'll give you a job and you have to ask some questions. 10 questions definitely.
Okay.
By present continuous. And
Okay.
you should answer. Can you do that?
Yes, I can.
Okay. We are practicing present continuous, so let's see. Okay? So, here you go.
Okay, so excuse me, may I have a few words with you?
Yes, obviously gonna have a few words with you because we are practicing conversation.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so we're talking about present continuous tense, right?
Oh, okay.
Okay, so first, can you introduce yourself?
Oh, okay. I can introduce myself. My name is Shikzana Sivan. I'm 8 years old. I'm from Cox's Bazar City. So, how about you?
Okay, so my name is Ileana Wajusra. I am 8 years old. Well, I'm almost 9. So I'm from Cox's Bazar. I'm a student of Holly Child School, Cox's Bazar. I study in class 3. So let's get on to the topic.
Okay, we can start.
Okay, so are you eating right now?
Obviously not eating right now. I'm practicing a conversation with you. Who eats in front of the whole entire class?
Yes. Okay, so are you playing at present?
No, I'm not playing at present because we're here to learn, not play. And
Yes.
anyways, we are learning conversation,
Yes.
not playing at present. Who does that in front of the class?
No one plays in front of the class.
Yes, that's very weird.
So are you getting my sound right now?
Yes, I'm getting your sound right now. It is very loudly. I love it because it's very nice.
Oh, okay, thank you. And you are speaking super nicely.
Oh, thank you. You too.
Okay, so are you going to visit somewhere?
Maybe I'm going to India, maybe next year, because it's third term exam.
Oh,
We don't go in exams. Who does that?
okay, so are you talking to me right now?
Obviously, I'm talking to you right now. We're starting conversation. Actually, we're practicing a conversation. We're here to learn.
Yes, we're here to learn and speak up.
Yes.
Okay, so are you practicing English nowadays?
Yes, I'm practicing English nowadays because, I read in this lecture. I read with Russell sir. He is very nice and very excellent. I love his English speaking, so I'm here.
Oh, I also practice English with Russell sir, conversation, yeah, like that.
Me too, very much.
Okay, so are you reading any special books nowadays?
Not really, but yeah, I do. Like Oxford Reading Circles, that has so many books and I love it. They have so many interesting books, right?
Yes, well, I also had that kind of book. Well, now I don't have that kind of book.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So, are you crying for anything?
Obviously not crying for anything. I'm here to learn, not cry. Who does that in front of the whole class or anywhere?
No one cries in front of the class. It's so weird.
And embarrassing.
Yeah, and embarrassing. Well, it's nice to meet you then. I have no more questions, so bye.
Bye. It was nice meeting you.